Pronto. la hen ki he vahe kolo o e kautaki. Ka taka mo mo le a George Pinau ki ke la mai ki luani. O ka ampe ke ta whailonga ai nahi tale ni tu kuak nahi eiki ki he taha e taramo ko e ni. Pe au tau lau kau ato hi o tokoni. Not only in our church, o koe ke hoko pe e tau ngau e lelei I he whale loku. We are going out beyond the walls, and I know Courtney, come please, Courtney. Hoki tō mai he ni koe o tā mōko e ni, me tō minioni, aia o. That's where our whakakau pule is, like o loki ni hiti. And we are thankful for your leadership. And we just want to ask, how has Christ inspired you?
Hi everyone, how has Christ inspired me? Just growing up in the church at Dominion Queensland, it's been beautiful to grow up in the presence of Jesus through song and creative dance and the himalahi and in favors. What we're here, the reason why we're here today is the beauty of Jesus. We're here because of him. For me, I teach the creative dance for my youth, as well as Dawa and AET, the Tongan associations at the university. But it's good to serve. It doesn't have to be at church. You can come out of the church and praise Jesus in the university. So, yeah. Jesus is good. God is good.
Kukai ni whakamalo mo tolu mo koko mo lotu ki he wahikolo. Ko au na e whili e komiti ke tauhi a wahikolo tasia. Ko e ngau e lahi pa o ku heke ngau e lahi ke whae ai ngau e o toa. Ko e mo ui ngau Nai tali aku mo ui he huafe tahanima I camp retreat tahanima o Sulai. Koia pe aku ilo ko hoku kamataanga mo ngataanga o e ku mo ui. Koia pe te awhalala ki ai. Koia pe malo.